Hello everybody, Sarah here with Sarah Travels Happy at Sandals South Coast, which is in Whitehall, Jamaica. And this beautiful resort is surrounded by a nature preserve. It's on the south coast of Jamaica. So if you've ever been to Negril, it's going to be on the opposite side of Jamaica from Negril. But I thought I'd give you guys a tour of my room. I'm in the newly renovated Dutch village. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what you can see out the front. As you can see, it's just beautiful. It's so secluded. You're not in the middle of a town or a touristy area. We have the basketball courts, tennis courts. Of course, that's all included. We're going to go here. This is my room, 2413. And you'll see the Sandals door seals. So this is really important. It's part of their platinum protocols of cleanliness. And so when you enter the room for the first time, you're supposed to open the seal, right? And that way you know that nobody besides you has been in this room since the maid service. So just to start here, we've got that doorbell system again, do not disturb or housekeeping, so that you're not bothered when you're enjoying the romantic resort intended for couples, but you still get a clean room when you need it. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, it is very modern with a pedestal sink. Okay. And this is a big change from when I was there in 2019. They've completely redone the bathrooms. So now we have a rain shower, walk-in rain shower, nice storage area there. Something that's really neat I've noticed from all the Sandals that I've been to is that every single Sandal shower and bathroom has a different tile scheme for their little toiletry area. So always some good ideas. If you're into decorating, get some ideas from my videos. Got some decoration there. Okay, now we're gonna walk into the room. As usual, we have our individual temperature controls. We have our desk area, right? And then we have large king size beds. Remember, Sandals is a resort for couples, so every Sandals room has a king size bed. All right. Got some towel art. I'm a sucker for towel art. There you go. Bedside table. Alarm clock with charging stations, which is essential if you're like me and you brought your computer and your iPad and your iPhone. And then we have another seating area. And this is actually an example of an in-room amenity that you can have waiting for you upon your arrival. This happens to be the one that was left for me as part of the Back to the Beach trip that I am on. And you'll see they even wrote the word Sandals in chocolate. So that's way more talented than I am. And then, of course, here we've got our entertainment and bar area, Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee, tea kettle if you prefer, large flat screen TV. This is interesting. These two little things here are going to tell you all the things that they clean during COVID so that you feel safe staying here. I'm not going to read it all to you, but you can see that it's pretty extensive. And then over here we have our room service, but also juices, seltzer soda, whatever you need to make, you know, a nice drink, champagne, white wine, and of course red stripe beer because we are in Jamaica. But the best part about this room in the Dutch village, okay, so if you're considering South Coast, I recommend the Dutch village. On our patio, check out this view. Now we're getting a little bit of tropical sunshine today. It's a little rainy on and off, but still, it doesn't look like this when it rains in my backyard. This is actually the swim up pool, right? So if you're on the ground floor, you have swim up access, which also connects to the main pool. And then it's right there on the beach, right? I mean, if you look really closely, you can see one of the options for a wedding. That is one of the wedding chapels there that you can use. And then just to spin it around, we have this, which is the Tranquility Soaking Tub. See if I can get a better angle. this is also on your patio. So you can have a nice bubble bath there with that view, with maybe somebody special. But this is really my favorite part, is this view. And I know a lot of people like the walkouts, but you can't beat this view. Okay, so this is my room, concierge level, newly renovated Dutch Village, swim up room on the 2nd floor, so I got that amazing view. Fully included room service and bar and concierge services. So if you guys are interested in booking something at Sandals South Coast, I will tell you that there's a 777 deal this week for Sandals South Coast. So give me a shout, send me a text, call me, email me, message me, comment, whatever you want to do. But definitely do not forget to log on to my live presentation tomorrow. And we're going to be talking about travel and is it safe, talk about COVID and cleanliness, but we're also going to talk about whether or not it's too late to plan for spring break if you've got kids. And we're also going to talk about destination weddings and honeymoons, because I know a lot of people had to cancel their wedding, or they don't want to risk their family by having a big ceremony or reception. At Sandals, if you stay at least 3 nights, you can get a free wedding ceremony, and they even do a streaming service. So all of your friends and family back home can join in. For your honeymoon, you can get a free honeymoon package. You can even get a free night if it's your anniversary. So again, give me a shout, but I really want to see you guys tomorrow, 11 a.m. live from the Over the Water Chapel at Sandals South Coast. And the link will be in the comments so that you can register and come to that. So give me a shout if you have any questions. I see you, Vivia, by the way. We're going to talk, okay? I'm going to get you booked for something. I am. You too, Zena. I see you too. Deborah, my favorite client. We're going to talk about your spa and your excursions. Anyway, guys, have a great day. I'm going to go eat my crepe now because you know me and crepes. Bye.